Question number 27. So what is the energy equivalent to the mass of one proton? Okay. So mass of one proton, how do you write? Energy equivalent. See, energy equivalent, we always write E is equal to mc square, Einstein's energy relationship. Now for one proton, what is it? U. Mass of one proton is 1 U, and this one is same, 1 UC square. You can put it like this. What is 1 UC square? This is nothing but 931.5 MeV. That's what we know. Okay. So what we do is we'll write this as 931.5 into 10 power 6 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into joules over here. Now closely look at which one resembles this one here. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 is here, but there's 3 into 10 power 8 over here. So therefore this is not the right one. Here there's no 1.6, not the right one. Here divided by, not the right one. Here you have 9.38 into 10 power 8. Okay, might be I will write this as 9.315 into 10 to the power of 8 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Now resemble whether this is, look at the same. See, this is 9.38, I put 9.315. Okay, closer to it because the constant varies from one book to other book. So here this is 9.38. So as a result of it, this is 10 power 8 is here, power is here, 1.6 10 power minus 19 is here, everything is same. So D is the right answer.